It's still light outside. You know what? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's currently, what time is it? 7:05, Saturday, July 24th. I was planning on not going to Rolling Live. Look, everybody's gone. Hold on. Lily, Azariah, Heaven. Look, everybody's gone. Everybody's gone. Heaven gone. I ain't even got on no clothes. Azariah gone. Lily gone. And I'm sitting here butt naked. Everybody's gone. You know, today I was being really, really stubborn. After all that stuff, I missed the first day Rolling Loud. All my favorite artists I couldn't see. So I'm like, today, it ain't nobody I really, really like and look forward to going to see. But the only way I'm gonna go is if traffic ain't bad. I'm gonna hop in an Uber. Let me see. Or rock. If it's under 45 minutes, we go on to Rolling Loud. Damn, that's like 31 minutes. What the hell? All right, y'all, this is who we rocking. We got the New York Yankees shorts on, the mineral blue Yeezys with the Gucci side, New York Yankees shirt to match. That's what we got on. Let me get a mask. Mask. We really about to do it. I really was not planning on going to Rolling Loud. Keys, wallet, AirPods. Everything I need. Phone, wristband. I'm not putting on no jewelry because I can care less right now.
Access granted.
Good.
Hard rock, right?
Yeah, hard rock. I wasn't gonna go, but I just changed my mind. You can get me as close as you can and I'll just hop out. Cause I gotta go, I think I gotta go over that bridge over there. I think.
Over there?
Yeah.
Hey, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, y'all. We made it. I still can't believe I made it. Still can't believe I came. But we definitely made it. See, parking look a whole lot better now, man. We was in an orange lot, so I was definitely supposed to be parking on site yesterday. So whatever they was talking about, whatever they was doing, I don't know what the hell was going on. Gotta find out where to get in here now. Hopefully they don't take my camera. This shit so packed, man. Rolling Loud is a movie for real, man. It's hot as hell. I'm going up.
We interrupt this program to bring you.
Shout out my nigga True Car. Hey. Oh, I know this. Let's go. Whoa! I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up. That's tough. Who fed the DDD? Hold at the BNB. Watching the DVD. Giving her DVD. 2020. Wagging every CDMG. Read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you my rolling out sick. We living. Hey, bro. It's feeling like you need to be my lady. What? My baby. I'm second guessing you, but that's when I didn't have a clue.
2 hours later.
That's what we gonna monster stage.
We interrupt this program to bring you.
See me?
Yes, I was so happy.
I was telling my vlog I wasn't coming for real, but I just hopped up and came.
Did you see how my face lit up?
You was shot. I swear to God, I didn't even know you was right there. Like something just told me to go there, and I went and turned my head, and you was right there.
I feel somebody tapping me.
You thought there was some nigga touching you?
You know it's gonna be a problem.
I'm supported by the streets and my people ain't believing. Hey, Reese, they trying to cut the stage off. Hurry up, play that shit. It's over with. Hey, back in blood. Hurry up, they cut the shit off, bro. Shut up everywhere they want. Who get that shit from you? Come get it back.
Show over. Glad I came. My feet is killing me. Ooh, it's killing me. We waiting for the kids now.
Man, the dude that was next to me got the hat. I was fighting for that hat. So y'all I was in the front, but we were squished. Like we was all pushed together. Yeah. He brought out India. He brought out India, Chloe, Lil Ray, Lil Baby, Mama. We. I can't do it.
You get a turkey leg.
Turkey leg out. 18, 1 or 2?
1.
Turkey leg, nachos.
Appreciate it.
Turkey leg, come on guys. Adopt the turkey leg.
Them are huge. Thank you.
Bitch, I got the motherfucking lemon pepper stuff. Lemon pepper stuff.
But I had fun though.
Oh my god.
One of the dudes, he's standing on top. He all over me. Literally got his hand on my his elbow on my head. So he like this the whole time. I said, "Get your motherfucking hand off me. What's wrong with you?"
They
pissing me off.
Yeah, because you know I'm so
They
small.
short. They wanted to Ezra. They was all on her elbow. I got that cursing in my mouth like this. Don't get up off me. Look, don't get up on me. I had fun though.
Yeah, what? Them big ass feet.
Grow up. Alright, y'all. This vlog is officially over. I'm done. My feet killing me. My back killing me. Rolling Loud day 2. I missed day 1. But it's one for the books, man. Got a lot of great footage. I don't even know how this vlog turned out. But we gonna see once it's edited and uploaded. So thank y'all for tuning in to Rolling with TB. Like, share, subscribe. Turn me up, Rolling Gang. Don't turn me down.